Hi, this is Scott Sorheim with Lean Tech, and I want to talk to you a little bit about how Thrive is built with ease of use and with customization and personalization in mind so that you can make Thrive work well for your business, whether you're on a desktop, a tablet, or a phone, on any device. First, from an ease of use standpoint, if we look at reporting, so reporting is personal in that everyone can determine what's on their own dashboard. But you can also really share information easily. So if I want somebody to have this accidents by type, or this top equipment issues report. It's just a matter of hitting the share icon. I can share it with specific users, project roles, or entire departments if it's relevant. And it just allows me to distribute information quickly and make sure we're all on the same page and we're looking at the same data. And this data is always current. So anytime you're using Thrive, you view these reports, it's got the latest information in it. You're not waiting for someone to update their reports. Also, you can drill down into stuff. So this happens to be abnormalities from the goal board or hour by hour, but you might be drilling down into quality issues by reason code, safety incidents, same thing, maintenance by reason for outage code. And you think about, I'm trying to understand, what do we need to work on within the business? Well, I click on a bar, takes me down to my reason codes. I can click on the machine bar, takes me down to the next reason code. But you determine what those reason codes are, but it just helps you manage your business and make decisions. If we also take a look at things can have different names. So let's say at our organization, this was mentioned in another video, that you may not call it accident investigations. Well, through the interface itself, there's not any technical resource that needs to be grabbed or contact anyone from Lean Technologies. You can simply go into the tool, pull up those areas of Thrive you want to change. You can customize the form. We'll call this now incident investigations. You can hide things on a form. You can make things required for people. And when you do that, the changes are immediate, and then it allows you really to tailor it to your business. So now on here, I've got incident investigations as opposed to accident investigations. Additionally, searching throughout the system. So even on the menu and navigation, if I'm looking for vendors, I type in vendor on here and it brings up my vendors. I can jump over to that part of the system. If I want to quickly search for a certain one, maybe MSC, I can find them quickly. And additionally, you can make save search or filters. And how that would work is, let's say let me clear my MSC search there. Let's say it's often the case that I'm searching for my vendors in Minnesota. Well, I can create a new filter, very similar to a search. The difference is I'm going to save this for later. So I'm going to say this state contains MN. I'll just call the filter itself. I'll name it that. And now I save this, and it's narrowed my list to Minnesota, and I've got a new filter on here that's MN. And I can toggle between no filter, other filters I've created. And you do this by user, and each user can dictate what filters they want, what columns you want visible. So there's additional information. I might want zip code. I could drag that over. And this is true throughout Thrive. Very easy to manipulate and make it work well, not only at an individual level, but for all your team members. Additionally, if we look at a screen here like issuing inventory, this is how it might look on a desktop, where on the left side here I've got issue what part from what inventory location to what location or what project. Same thing, if this is working on a phone, it's going to look like this. Slightly different layout, but it's the same idea. I don't lose any functionality. I get the same capabilities if I'm walking around my inventory, my stock room with a handheld device. I'm issuing some part to some location or project, and I can do the same things I can on my mobile device as well as at my desktop. So it just allows flexibility, personalize Thrive, make it work well for your organization regardless of how you interact with it. Check out some of the other videos if you want to know more, or contact us through the website. Thanks.